Hi, morning YouTubers, Big Mix Models UK. Just a bit of an update on how the man cave's coming. Just we go in here. There's a bit of a look at my stash at the moment. The computer. Moving across. We have the modelling area. It's not finished yet, but it's just a bit of a look to show you guys how it's coming along. I'll run through a few bits of what I'm doing. This is my paint rack. It's the same as what I had in the old bit, but I've got more room in the corner there. That's where my spray booth's going. I'm just waiting for that. It's not arrived yet. Should be here any time. I know it's a couple of days. There's my compressor, if you can actually see it there. It's not tied up properly yet. My books for reference. I'll do a bit of a video about those, but yeah, it's coming on quite well. There I've got my computer, PlayStation, printers, in these drawers we've got spares, chalks, washers, leather powders, toothpicks, blue tacks. But yeah, it's just a quick little video and showing you what's happening at the moment. Up here I'm going to have some pictures and things. If I just spin around onto this wall, along this wall, in the hand, right across there, I wanted some shelving and put up for all my models. Got a nice big fan down there in case it gets too warm. Yeah, bit of a wet day out there. If anybody's got any advice, I've had to stand my compressor. You can see it there on a big thick like foam sponge. If anybody's got any advice on how to quieten your compressor down slightly, I'd appreciate that, because living in an upstairs flat, or an America apartment, upstairs apartment, I have to think about obviously people downstairs, and I'm just wondering if there is any way possible that could be quietened down slightly. But yeah, so we'll just do another quick run across there. It's not brilliant, it's not perfect, but it's doing what I need it to do. I freshen the brushes and my work area. Yes, Christmas lights, I'm just having a look at those. And like I said, that in the corner there is going to have my, it's only going to be a portable spray booth, but it's adequate for what I need. And that's going to go there with the exhaust. It can go straight out the window there. There is going to be another piece coming along here, sort of thing. So in the winter, when I'm actually spraying, I can put my models over the radiator on a shelf to keep them warm, help them dry, so I don't get no paint issues. I've got my lamp to go in yet, my big lamp. But yeah, everything's going well, and hopefully by early next week I'll be able to do a bit more for my channel. But that's about it for now, guys. Like, subscribe, and catch you all later. Bye bye.